Hi everyone, welcome to our new course, Fine-Tuning LLM with Hugging Face Transformers. This is going to be a brand new course in which we will be talking about transformers, we will be talking about BERT, knowledge distillation like a DistilBERT model. Thereafter, I'll be talking about the multitasking like summarization, translation task. Thereafter, we will be doing here many NLP projects where we will be doing our model fine-tuning from the scratch. At the end of the lessons, I'll be also talking about the vision transformers here, and thereafter I'll be showing you how you can fine-tune base LLM model as open-ended text generation model for domain-specific data, and how you can fine-tune base LLM for chat model, or you can say the instruction model. So all this stuff we are going to learn, and we will be learning all these in around 15 to 16 hours lecture series. I would like you to download course code which we will be using in this course from the resources folder here. You can download all these code is available here. So I have arranged all these codes section by section here. We will be starting with hello transformer where we will be going through the introduction of the transformers. Thereafter we will be talking about the transformer architectures here. Thereafter, we will be talking about the BERT architecture. So you see, the architecture understanding is very important. Otherwise, once you start working with the fine-tuning process and you do not have understanding of the transformer, it will be really very difficult for you to understand the whole process. So you should go through with the transformers architectures. Do not skip this section. Thereafter, we will be going through the fine-tuning BERT sentiments, and thereafter we will go to the fine-tuning DistilBERT, and then fine-tuning DistilBERT, MobileBERT, TinyBERT for fake news classification. And then I'll be also showing you one project how you can use restaurant data for restaurant search with the NER recognition. There we will be fine-tuning a DistilBERT model so that you can do the named entity recognition. This is very important project. You can use this for resume parsing as well, or for any NER task you can use this. Thereafter we will be also using here a T5 transformer. This is a multitasking transformer. You can use this transformer for summarization. You can use this for any other task. Here we will be also using a custom data for the summarization. This is also very important project. So all these projects in fact are very important. I'll be going through with the very details how you can customize the data set. If you have a custom data set, then how you can prepare your data set so that you can use these models. You just need to change the data set, and thereafter rest of code you can use for the reference, or you can use all these code as it is. Thereafter, I'll be also talking through the vision transformer like we have seen. Generic transformer, vanilla transformer, which is used in natural language processing task. Here we will be also going through with the vision transformer, and we will be seeing that how convenient is training this vision transformer there. And thereafter we will be also going through the fine-tuning Phi2 and Phi3 data, and fine-tuning a Phi3 and Phi2 model on a custom data set. Generally we will be going through the Phi2 model, and thereafter we will be also seeing that how you can fine-tune llama for the chat and instruction model. So we'll be also seeing that how is the performance of the base model, whether we can use the base model as chat model or not. Later on, I'll be also showing you after fine-tuning that how the chat model performs. So all this stuff we are gonna learn in this course. So do remember that this one we have used here a Phi2 or any other LLM. Phi3 we did not use because Phi3 did not had any checkpoint as a base model. Phi3 have only chat model. So I thought that it's not good idea to fine-tune chat model because that is already fine-tuned. So I took here a Phi2 as a base model, and thereafter I did a fine-tuning on that. Later on you will be seeing that how we use this Phi2 model for the custom the data where we generated Amazon product name and the description. So you can say that we actually fine-tuned Phi2 model for a domain specific data generation task. Okay, so there is going to be so much fun while learning this course. If you get any problem, you can come to the QA and you can ask your question there itself. I would be more than happy to answer if you have any queries. Once you complete this course, you can get the certificate and then you can share it on social media. Please do not forget to tag me there. I would like to shout out for you there. And along with that, if you like this course or you do not like this course or whatever it is, I would like request you to leave a rating and leave your feedback here. Thank you so much. Let's get started with this course.